This message is being transmitted at the request of local authorities. At around 3:35 p.m. Pacific Time, the new Gab hat cereal was identified as having a strange substance. If you have this brand new cereal in your household, discard it immediately. Stand by for further information. This message is being transmitted at the request of local authorities. The substance that was found in the cereal has been identified as a virus. If you have this cereal, please dispose of it immediately. Stand by for further information on the situation. This message is being transmitted at the request of the statewide police department. The Gab hat cereal has been turning people into unknown hostile entities called Gabs. They are blocky in shape, have yellowish skin, a purple shirt, black pants, and a purple-yellow striped hat. If you see these entities, dial 911 immediately. Stand by for further information. This message is being transmitted at the request of the California Department of Public Health. We've researched the virus and found out some things about it. Symptoms of the virus include nausea, a tingling feeling, feeling sick, and yellowing skin. The virus is very contagious, especially through the air. We advise to wear a surgical mask. Cloth masks won't be enough. Advise social distancing at least 7 feet apart. And if possible, find a shelter to protect yourselves from the entities. If your loved one has been infected, isolate them. Stand by for further details. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. This message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. This virus has spread throughout America. Over 70% of the population is infected. There is no hope. Ceasing transmissions forever at the tone. Good luck to any survivors.